Hi, this is Anthony over here at foreUP Golf Software. With the new tee sheet activated at your golf course, you can now take advantage of split tee online booking. The split tee online booking settings are now found in the day template settings of the new tee sheet, and we're going to show you how to set that up today to really maximize your revenue and to allow people to book online for 18 holes after an event has finished to really get your tee sheet back on track. To get started, we're going to go into the settings module and we'll get that set up for you today. Okay, so let's talk about online split tee booking settings. With the new tee sheet, you now have the ability to allow split tee 18-hole bookings after an event has ended. So you can see in this situation on Friday, I have a shotgun event taking 3 hours of my morning tee times. 6 a.m. all the way till 9 a.m. is my next tee time start. So traditionally what would happen is online booking would start after this event and it would just go 18-hole booking and you would leave this whole backside open for unbooked tee times. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on split tee online booking to allow 18 holes for the first 2 hours to book. So it's going to really fill up my tee sheet again. And then 2 hours after that, I'm going to block it for 2 hours for a re-round. And then I'm going to revert it back to normal settings at 1 p.m. to book for 18 holes for the rest of the day. So this is going to be a custom day template, and we're going to be able to set it for specifically this event starting at 9 a.m. or ending at 9 a.m. So we're going to go to the settings of the tee sheet, edit, go to online year setup. So we know 9 a.m. our event ends, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new day template. So we're going to go to add day template, and we're going to call this split tee morning. Give it a color of purple. So think of the default settings as what's going to happen after my time frames have expired. This is what's going to revert to after all of the custom settings I set. So at 1 o'clock, my default settings are going to kick in place and we're going to allow for people to book. Riding or walking and can be required, and then they can book 9 or 18 holes. So between the 9 a.m. and 1 p.m., what we're going to do is we're going to create a new time frame. So we're going to create this 9 a.m. time frame to 11 a.m. And what we're going to say is we're going to say this is called split tee online booking. 18 holes. So we'll grab that, copy that for the front and back, and we're actually going to mark it as a green, indicating that green is good to go. So we're going to say 18 holes is required. It's allowed for the front and back, and we'll say riding is required. So remember, the turn times need to take place after 2 hours at my golf course. So from 11 to 1 o'clock, we need no online bookings available at that time. So we're going to create another time frame, and we're going to go from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And we're going to say turn times, no online booking. And we're going to give it a color of red to indicate stop. And we're going to turn off online bookings for both sides. And remember, we don't need to create another time frame for after 1 p.m. because once this 1 p.m., 11 to 1 p.m. time frame expires, it will revert back to our default, which is just going to allow online booking off the front side for 9 or 18 holes. So we're going to save those changes. And our event is on Friday, so that is the 17th. So we're going to click on the 17th, and we can assign it that split tee morning day template. We're going to hit Save Changes. So let's go ahead and refresh our web page, and we're going to look at the 17th. So now you can see I have my shotgun event in the morning. Right at 9 a.m., this is where I allow those 18-hole players to book. So now they'll fill up all of my front and back side of the tee sheet for 18 holes. the re-rounds will take place, and then that default day template will kick in and just allow online booking for the front side for the rest of the day. And the way that looks like online is we can go over to our online booking, go to public, and then we can click on Friday. So you can see 9 a.m. my tee time start. So I can see 9 a.m. off the front for 18 holes and 9 a.m. off the back for 18 holes. So that continues all the way up until the end of 10 p.m. And you can see front and back for 10:50, but then it skips all the way up until 1 o'clock and then only allows front 9 play. So with that day template setting, you can really customize and take advantage of your tee sheet and work it around events so you can maximize online booking, rounds, and inventory even though you have those events in place. So hopefully with those settings you can be comfortable enough to set those in place and maximize your tee sheet revenue. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Have a great day.